USG Boral is one of the leading producers of plasterboard, cornice and compound products, and we distribute a whole range of adjacent products as well as those that we manufacture. We partnered with Infosys in developing a project to replace our aging IT system, and SAP S/4HANA was chosen. The benefits we were trying to achieve revolved around getting us up to date and making us more efficient, also be able to outcompete our competitors in the digital world of EDI and online trading.
Challenges we faced prior to implementing SAP S/4HANA was the legacy system. We just had trouble with the amount of data that we could get out of the system and the level of detail, which was impeding our ability to make decisions in a flexible market. We now have much more granular information, much more clarity. That's going to save us money, and we're already seeing benefits from that piece, particularly the way that we configured the system, and we could have only have done that with the help of our implementation partner Infosys.
Infosys did a lot of work to understand our business by visiting trade stores, by visiting plants, understanding the business so that they could get an understanding of what our requirements were. The major business outcomes that we've already seen from this implementation revolve around the fact that we have an integrated system, an end-to-end integrated system. We have introduced a very simple sales order system which allows us to complete a sales order within minutes. We've got more current online reporting, allowing for decision making to be far quicker and far more distributed. We have a very comprehensive pricing tool that allows us to price our products to our customers in a very individualistic way. We have ability to close our month end within one day. From a finance point of view, this is critically important.
The partnership between USG Boral and Infosys worked because it was built on trust. They spent a lot of time coaching and providing us with the understanding of the system capability and how it might apply to us. Whenever we faced a challenge, it was never just a solution presented to us, it was always a discussion. I feel like Infosys are invested in the long-term success of this, and they're still coming to us with ideas.
Processes and procedures are now very efficient, very controlled, and very disciplined.